Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working our way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I think it's pretty clear that this is a 1-2, and I still think this is a 3. I think it's going to make a wave 4 and most likely go back up to make a wave 5, but I still believe eventually it's going to make its way up and take out these highs. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this right here is an uptrend. I think it's a wave 1. Now, most people would say that this is just all one part of a trend, but because of correlated pairs, I think it's very clearly a wave A. I think it's very clearly 3 waves down for the A, 3 waves up for the B, and 5 waves down for the C. This fits the characteristics of a running flat almost perfectly. Higher high for the wave B than the previous trend, higher high for the wave C for the previous wave A, then nice impulsive move up. I think we have a running flat, and I think that we are now in a wave 3, and I believe on these higher time frames it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows and continue to trend up. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have the shape of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. You would think that this would be like a complete wave 1 and that this would go down, make a bigger crescent, probably take out the low wave 4 for the wave 2, and eventually go up for a wave 3, which it definitely seems like that would be the most likely scenario. But there's no break of structure on the downside, and really the fact that it looks like it's turned up on the longer time frames tells me that it could just make a normal correction, make another higher low, and just keep on trending up. So either scenario, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely calling this move down over here a wave A. It looks like a 5 way pattern for the A. This looks like all one big overlapping correction, which I don't really think is over. I think it needs to go up, probably take out these highs, grab all that liquidity right here, probably go to the 78% Fibonacci level before it ends up going back down to make a wave C. I still think this is going to make a proper ABC, whether it's an ABC of 2 or whether it's just a subdivision, corrects into this last move up. Either way, I still think it's going to make another move down to make this wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely seems like impulsive up. It seems like a downtrend. 3 waves up, followed by another downtrend. It seems like an ABC of B. Most likely that means that we are going up, and hopefully what happens is we continue to drift up. We have CPI news tomorrow for the dollar. It'd be nice if it looks something like this tomorrow, because that would give us a lot of confidence about the entry to go short for the continuation of this move down, which, like I said, is probably a wave C of wave 2, but it could just be a wave C of a subdivision correction of a much, much larger uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.